Hey there, I'm Pat with Original Strength, and today I want to show you how you can restore the TV watching position. If you didn't know, the TV watching position is the position I'm in right now, where you are propped up on your forearms. Being in this position is quite the opposite of sitting in the chair. It works your posture, your shoulder stability, it opens up your hips. However, for the majority of people, this position is a little bit challenging. They may even complain about lower back pain due to lack of mobility in the upper back that leads to excessive arching in the lower back. Anyways, how can you rebuild this position? Simply by pressing reset, but a bit lower. So, start here, or maybe here, or even here. Okay? But start where you currently are, and simply press reset. Do some head nods. Turn your head. Roll by looking up and behind you. As you can see, I have already grown a bit taller. Another cool one is to roll from your legs. Surprisingly, rolling from your legs unlocks mobility in your upper body too. In fact, it's the same spine you are working on, no matter if you are addressing it from the top or from the bottom. The spine is a unit. But just go on pressing reset. Do some more head nods. Roll. And look, here we are in the TV watching position without any discomfort in the lower back. Please regain the TV watching position so you can do some fun stuff like commando crawling. Or frog rolls. Okay? Just forget about chairs. Spend time on the floor and regain your original strength. See you next time.